Hello everybody, marhaban bikum. This is our recording for the lesson about the letters add-ons. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we already learned that we have in Arabic 28 letters. Alif, ba, ta, tha until ya. Okay, so today we are going to study the letters add-ons. So we have some letters that we have some letters add-ons and they are not considered as letters themselves, but they are considered as extensions or add-ons that we add them to the letters in the word so they can make specific function. Okay, so let's start with the first one. It's called ta مربوطة. Yes, and it's written exactly like ha, but we put two dots over it. Okay, and it's called ta مربوطة, and the meaning of this tiled ta or closed ta. Okay, the next one is called hamza. Hamza, and hamza is written like this. It's like the starting of Ain letter. See, the Ain letter is written like this. So it's just like this part of Ain. See? Yes, so this is called Hamza. Hamza. Okay. And the last one is called Shadda. Shadda. Okay. And it's written like this, like number 3, but opposite to the above, like this. Number 3, like this. And it's written, this means the letter. So it means that this can be put over the letter to make specific function. Okay, we will see it later on. Okay, so these 3 add-ons, we put them on the words to make specific function. Every one makes a specific thing on the words. So now or today we will be talking about ta marbuta, and next time we will talk about hamza and shadda. Okay, so ta marbuta is written, first of all, is written like this. It has 2 types of writing, either like this or like this. We said that we have 6 letters that don't join with the letter after them, and these are ra, zay, waw, dal, and dal, and alif, right? In this case, when the letter comes after these letters, it's written like this, okay? And the rest of the letters written like this because it should be joined with the letters. Okay, we will see some examples for this. Like when we say the word hayat, see? Because alif is one of the 6 letters that don't join after, don't connect with the letters after it. So we put it isolated like this. But with the word sadiqa, see, it's joined with the qaf letter. Okay, so we will see today what is the specification of this ta marbuta and what does it do with the word when we put this on the word. Okay, so first one, this ta marbuta always at the end of the word, so it never comes in the middle or in the beginning of a word. So it's all the time comes at the end of the word like this. See here and here in these examples, all the time at the end of the word. Okay, number 2, it indicates that the word is feminine. So whenever you see this letter, most of the cases, it means that this word is feminine gender. Okay, not masculine, feminine. Okay, so when we say al-fatat, so al-fatat is feminine, hayat means life, it's also feminine. Sadiqa means feminine, but it's feminine friend. Hadiqa means garden, also feminine. Sa'a and lawha. Sa'a means watch and lawha means a painting. All of these words are feminine. Okay, so let's see number 3. Number 3, it's always added to nouns and also added to adjectives. So it's added to nouns and adjectives only. It's not added to verbs, not added to prepositions, not added to adverbs or other types of words. So it's all the time added only to nouns and adjectives. Okay. For example, in Arabic, when we add this ta marbuta to nouns, so we need to add it to the adjectives also if there is an adjective in the sentence. Because we already started in the lesson number 1 that the gender in Arabic, the adjectives should agree all the time with the gender of the noun. So if the noun is feminine, the adjective should be feminine. If it is masculine, the adjective should be masculine. Okay, for example, this is an example in English, a big room, because we said that the noun is room and big is the adjective. So we said that if the room word is masculine, so the word big should be masculine. And if it is feminine, the word big should be written in the feminine gender, okay? And here also we have a small door, also the same case. So let's see the translation into Arabic. غرفة كبيرة. The word غرفة, I'll put 2 lines here, 2 lines here. Okay. The word غرفة means room, and the word غرفة C, we put تاء مربوطة here, and we said that the تاء مربوطة is the sign of feminine. So the word غرفة is a feminine. So we need also to put تاء مربوطة in the adjective in order to make it feminine as well. Okay. Here we have a small door. The word bab is the noun, bab, and صغير is the adjective. Okay, so we put bab, there is no to marbuta, it's masculine. Okay, so the word صغير also should be masculine. Okay, here we have, it's wrong, so we need to delete this ta marbuta in order to make this a correct sentence. So باب صغير, while this sentence is غرفة كبيرة. Okay, if you want to make it a small room, we can say غرفة صغيرة. Okay, so if the noun is feminine, the adjective should be feminine. If the noun is masculine, the adjective should be masculine. Okay, and if the noun has ta marbuta, then the adjective should or must have ta marbuta as well. So the adjective should be exactly the same in shape and gender as the noun. Okay, we have some other examples to make a feminine with ta marbuta. First one, this word صديق. صديق means friend, male friend, but when we put ta marbuta, then it becomes a female friend, صديقة. طبيب and طبيبة. ممرض, ممرضة. مترجم and مترجمة. Okay, now I will be talking about the pronunciation of this ta marbuta, how we pronounce it. Okay, so we pronounce it as normal ta because it's already called ta. So we pronounce it as ta, but when we are speaking, but when we stop, we pronounce it as ha. Okay, as like see example, صديق, صديقة. We pronounce it as ha because we stopped. But in Arabic, if we continue speaking, so we will pronounce as ta or ti or tu. It's up to the conjugation of the word. So this sadiqa, it could be sadiqata or sadiqati or sadiqatu. It's up to the conjugation of this word. Later on, we will be talking about this. Okay. So, but for now, you can pronounce it as sadiqah. Okay. Tabib means doctor, a male doctor, and tabibah means a female doctor. Tabibah. Mumarrid means nurse, a male nurse, and mumarridah means a female nurse. Mumarridah. Mutarjim means translator, and mutarjima means a female translator. We have here also shurtiy, we have shadda here, shurtiy means policeman, and the female policeman, or policewoman, it's called shurtiya. Okay, police woman. Okay, so until now, let's repeat again we said that we have ta marbuta, the first one, the first add-on to the letters. It's called ta marbuta, and ta marbuta is called tiled ta, is translated into English, or closed ta, because see, as you can see, it's closed. Okay, and it has two types of writing. Like this, it's closed, or like this if it is joined with the letter, or like this if it is isolated. Okay, so the ta marbuta all the time comes at the end of the word. Number two, it's all the time indicates that the word is feminine. Okay, and number three, it could be added to nouns or adjectives, but if it is added to nouns, it must be added to the adjective. Okay, and some other examples. Also, we can apply ta marbuta with anything like animals. For example, the word cat means qit, cat, but in Arabic, when we say qit, we refer to the male gender of the cat, and when we say qitta, see, we added ta marbuta here, we refer to the female cat. And also we have kalb. Kalb means dog, and when we say kalba, means a female dog. And dub, we have a mistake here, it's dub. Dub means bear, and when we say dubba, so it means the female bear. And also bat, a duck, and batta, arnab, and arnaba. Okay. Okay. So now we will see some examples. Some of our students wrote this examples. First of all, we said bab, صغير, a small door. Okay. Here we have أنا مهندسة جميلة. I am, أنا means I am, مهندسة, see, we put here تاء مربوطة, and here we put تاء مربوطة. أنا مهندسة جميلة. It means I am a beautiful engineer. Okay. When we this sentence, it means that the speaker is a female, because he said or she said مهندسة تاء مربوطة. But if the sentence is أنا مهندس until here, and until here أنا مهندس جميل, the meaning will be the speaker is a male. Okay, like here أنا مهندس مبدع. The word مبدع means creative, And in Arabic, don't forget that we put all the time the adjective after the noun. So this is the noun and this is the adjective all the time. We never put the adjective before the noun. Okay. So here the speaker is male. He's saying that I am a creative engineer. Okay. Here, see, أنا أنتِ مهندسة مبدعة. So we have here تاء مربوطة also and تاء مربوطة also. And the word anti means you for the female. So somebody's saying to her, you are a creative engineer. Okay. Another example is السيارة جديدة. Okay. السيارة, surely it's feminine because it has تاء مربوطة. So the word جديدة should have also تاء مربوطة here. السيارة جديدة means the car is new. القطار طويل. القطار means train, and the train is masculine, and طويل is masculine. See here, we did not put تاء مربوطة here. Why? Because القطار is masculine. So if we put تاء مربوطة here, so it means this is not correct. Okay, another example. الوردة جميلة. الوردة means flower, and جميلة means beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. هي السماء كبيرة. السماء كبيرة. Okay, here we put تاء مربوطة, but this is correct because السماء is a feminine word. Okay, so the word that don't have تاء مربوطة, it's not necessarily to be masculine only. So it could be masculine or feminine, but in case it has تاء مربوطة, so it is 99% feminine, but not vice versa. Okay, so when the word has تاء مربوطة, it's feminine, but not vice versa. It means that when the word doesn't have تاء مربوطة, it's not necessarily to be feminine. It's not necessarily to be only masculine. So it could be masculine or feminine. Like the word السماء is feminine. So we need to say كبيرة. Okay, you may ask me how to know the word is feminine or masculine. You need to memorize that as any other languages. There is no rule to know whether the language is masculine or feminine. Okay. There is some tips, but it's very rare. It's not applicable to any word. Okay. Another example is صحفية جميلة. صحفية means journalist. Okay. But the word journalist here, صحفية, we put تاء مربوطة, so it means that this word is feminine. صحفية جميلة means a female journalist, a beautiful female journalist. Okay. Another example, صحفي جميل, a male journalist. So the meaning here is a beautiful or a nice male journalist. Okay. Other examples, القميص كبير. القميص means shirt, and كبير means big. Okay, it's masculine. And التنورة means dress, but a female dress for women, or skirt. I think it's called also skirt. صغيرة. So because here التنورة is feminine, so we need also to put here also تاء مربوطة to make it also feminine. Okay. Also we learned some some famous or so the most common greetings that everybody or we use it every day. Okay. صباح النور. Or let's make this one in another recording. Okay. Thank you so much for now, and I will send another recording for the common greetings in Arabic. Thank you and goodbye.